Bonjour tout le monde. Good day everyone. Je suis Arpita Garg. I am Arpita Garg. Aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre le visage. Today, we are going to learn the face. So basically, in this video, we are going to learn the various parts of the face. Like we have eyes, nose, ears, etc. So what these are called in French will be discussed today. Okay? And visage means face in French. That's right. So let us start. So a visage means a face. Okay? So it is a characteristic that the face can either be long or small, right? So it is a visage, long, longe, court means a visage can be either long. Long means in French it is long, and for feminine face it is longe, okay? And court means small. And the E in bracket is for feminine. If we are talking of a female face, then we will say court. Spelling will be Courte. But if we talk about a masculine face, we will say court. Court. Because you have to understand that in French, gender is very, very important. Okay. Similarly, if we are talking about a male face and we have to say the face is long, then we will use the word long, Long. And if we are talking of a feminine face and we have to say that the face is long, then we will use the adjective longue, Longue. Understood? So the first point is the characteristic of a face. It can either be long or court for a masculine one, or it can either be longe or court for a feminine one. Next, we have the head, which is la tête. Okay, la tête. La means the, it is an article, and tête. Tête means head. Okay, so la tête, which is the head. Now moving on to the next, we have les cheveux. Listen again, les cheveux, which is the hair. We all have hairs on our head, right? So hair in French is cheveux. Spelling is Cheveux. Okay, and les we are using why? Because les means the, it is for plural. Here are many, no. So for plural we have les. So les cheveux. Okay. Next, now if a person wears spectacles, then spectacles are also a part of the face, right? So what are spectacles called in French? They are lunettes. Répétez, lunettes. Les lunettes. Lunette means the spectacles. Okay. So what did we learn till now? We learned that the face is known as, that's right, visage. Very good. The head is known as la tête. Très bien. Then we have the hairs, which are known as cheveux, les cheveux, and the lunettes. If a person wears spectacles, then they are known as lunettes. Okay. Now moving on to the next part of the face, we have une oreille. Listen again. Une oreille means an ear. So our ears are known as oreille in French. The pronunciation is very important. The pronunciation of ILL is ear. Okay, so it is oreille, not oreille. No, it is oreille. Okay. Next we have the nose. Very important sense organ. We all know that. And nose is known as le nez, not nez. Z will not be pronounced. It is le nez, the nose. Okay. Now moving on to the next part of the face. If a person has moustache, okay, then what do we call it? Le moustache. Répétez après moi. Le moustache means the moustache. Okay. Now we all have eyes. Yeah, right. So eyes are known as ear. Les yeux. Why I'm saying les yeux? Because I am doing the liaison. Okay. I'm joining the sounds. So basically eyes are known as ear. Y-E-U-X. Ear in French. Okay. So what did we learn till now? We learned that the face is known as très bien, le visage. Very good. Head is known as la tête. Eyes are known as ear. Ear is known as oreille. Spectacles, if person has, then spectacles are known as lunette. Mustache is known as moustache. Very good. Then we have nose, which is known as lane. N-E-Z. That's right. Now moving on to the next, we have the cheeks. We have no cheeks, chubby cheeks. So what are cheeks known in French? It is la joue. Listen again. La joue. Joue means cheek in French. Next we have teeth. Teeth in French is les dents. Now you can easily correlate it with a dentist. Who is a dentist in English? A person who looks after our teeth, right? So from there only this word has come, dent, D-E-N-T-S. The sound of E-N in French is en. So we have les dents, the teeth, okay? Now moving on to the next, we have the mouth. We have a mouth in our face, which is known as la bouche. Repete, la bouche, okay? And next, if a person has beard, then it is known as la barbe. The beard is known as barbe. La means the, it is an article, definite article. La barbe, okay? So what did we learn today? We learned about the different parts of our face, in which the most important is, first one, eyes. What are they known as? That's right, ear. Then we have nose, la nez, N-E-Z, très bien. Next we have our ears, which are oreilles, very good. The whole face is known as visage, very good. If a person has spectacles, then it is les lunettes. If a person has moustache, then it is known as moustache. The beard is known as la barbe. The mouth is known as la bouche. Très bien. So that was all for today. In this video, we learned about the different components of the face. Basically, we've talked about la visage. Thank you so much for watching. Merci beaucoup. See you soon. À bientôt.